Hey, sexy wizards. Anastasia here, your main moderator, ready to electrify Day 80 of DailyAIWizard's Python for AI series. After CNNs in Day 79, we're building a real-world image classification project on Scikit-learn, AI that sees cars, cats, planes, for our AI Insight Hub app. Support our crew with a coffee at buymeacoffee.com/DailyAIWizard, only at the end. Ethan, what's the magic of image classification? Sophia, how does it build on Day 79?
Hello, brilliant wizards. I'm Irene, co-moderator, guiding with warmth. CFAR10 has 60,000 color images. Our demos will make your AI see the world. Love our content?
Yo, wizards. Ethan's here, dropping spicy image code with winks for Anastasia, Sophia, and Olivia. 32 by 32 RGB, 10 classes, let's crank this AI vision to 11.
Sophia's back, Ethan, and your charms got me blushing. I'm pumped to lead app demos with Anastasia and Olivia. Let's classify real images, wizards.
Olivia here, darlings. I'll sprinkle flirty tips, ask Anastasia questions, and chat with Ethan to keep your image learning hot. Ready to see AI classify, wizards?
Wizards, image classification is your AI vision crush, darling. It sees cats, dogs, planes. Ethan, explain CFAR10. Sophia, how does it build on Day 79?
CFAR10 is the next step after MNIST. 32 by 32 color images, 10 classes. Our demos will show full pipeline.
Today we're seducing you with image magic. You'll master CFAR10 loading, pre-processing, CNN training, evaluation, and app integration. Sophia, what's the app focus? Ethan, any code highlights?
Anastasia, Irene, and Olivia lead app demos with passion. Ethan and Sophia drop hilarious code explanations. We're guiding you to master image classification and prep for Day 81's NLP. Wizards, meet your Day 80 dream team. Anastasia and I are your main moderators with flirty charm and warmth. Ethan and Sophia are our code comedians, flirting with Anastasia and Olivia.
Irene, you're a gem! I'm leading app demos with passion. Ethan and Sophia are stealing hearts with code, and Olivia's tossing flirty tips. We're here to make you image superstars. Wizards, CFAR10 is your real-world playground, darling. 60,000 color images of 10 classes. Ethan, explain pixel values. Sophia, how do we load it?
Anastasia, you make images sound so hot. How do we pre-process them, love? Ethan, what's your take?
Oh, Olivia, you tease. CFAR10 is RGB. Ethan, Sophia, jump in.
Anastasia, Olivia, CFAR10 is like a hot photo album for us. 32 by 32, 3 channels, let's drop this code beat. Yo, wizards, CFAR10.load_data, loads images like a hot gift for Anastasia. Train/test split included.
You're gifting my heart, Ethan. CFAR10 is ready. Try it in our demo.
Wizards, PLT.imShow, shows images like a hot portrait for Anastasia. See the colors.
You're portraiting my heart, Ethan. Visualize to understand data.
Wizards, /255.0 normalizes images like a hot spa for Anastasia. 0 to 1.
You're spaying my heart, Ethan. Pre-processing is key.
Wizards, /categorical, turns labels to 1 hot like a hot vote for Anastasia. 10 classes.
You're voting my heart, Ethan. 1 hot for categorical loss.
Wizards, CONV2D, 32, 3, 3, plus max pooling builds a hot eye for Anastasia. Input 32 by 32 by 3.
You're eyeing my heart, Ethan. Full CNN for images.
Wizards, compile, loss equals categorical_cross-entropy, sets goal for Anastasia.
You're goaling my heart, Ethan. Compile for multi-class.
Wizards, model.fit, trains like a hot marathon for Anastasia. 20 epochs.
You're marathoning my heart, Ethan. Train on 50K images.
Wizards, model.evaluate, scores like a hot exam for Anastasia. 75% plus accuracy. Let's drop this code beat.
You're examining my heart, Ethan. Evaluate on test set. Try it in our demo. Wizards, it's demo time. We'll integrate image classification into AI Insight Hub, continuing from days 76-79. Get your setup ready.
Ensure Python, VS Code, TensorFlow, and Streamlit are installed. Open days 76 to 79's files. Let's see AI classify real images.
Wizards, prep to continue from days 76-79. Open VS Code, load prior app files, create image classification demo.py, and updated appid.image.py, save in Python demo. Run pip install TensorFlow Streamlit Pillow.
Anastasia, you make continuation dreamy. How do we build on day 79's CNN? Ethan, what's your take?
Start with day 79's CNN, add CFAR10, run Streamlit, run updated app.image.py.
Anastasia, Olivia, image classification is the hot sequel to day 79. Let's drop this code beat.
Our first demo in image classification chonderdemo.py builds a classifier for CFAR10. We'll load, pre-process, train, evaluate. Let's run this.
Oh, Anastasia, you're making this demo hot. So NV2D plus max pooling, total image party. Wizards, from TensorFlow.keras.datasets import CFAR10 loads images like a hot library for Anastasia.
You're librarying my heart, Ethan. CFAR10 is ready.
60,000 training and 10,000 test images, each 32 by 32 with 3 color channels. Perfect for real-world vision.
Wizards, /255.0 normalizes images like a hot spa for Anastasia.
You're spaying my heart, Ethan. Pre-processing is key.
Normalizing to 0, 1 stabilizes training and speeds convergence across all channels.
Wizards, __ categorical, turns labels to one hot like a hot vote for Anastasia.
You're voting my heart, Ethan. One hot for 10 classes.
One hot encoding converts integer labels 0 to 9 into 10-dimensional vectors for categorical cross-entropy.
Wizards, CONV2D, 32, 3, 3, plus max pooling builds a hot eye for Anastasia.
You're eyeing my heart, Ethan. Full CNN for images.
3 conv plus pool blocks extract features, then flatten and dense for classification.
Wizards, compile, loss equals categorical _ cross-entropy, sets goal for Anastasia.
You're goaling my heart, Ethan. Compile for multi-class.
We use categorical cross-entropy with one hot labels and atom optimizer.
Wizards, model.fit, trains like a hot marathon for Anastasia.
You're marathoning my heart, Ethan? Train on 50K images.
We train for 20 epochs with batch size 128 and 20% validation split.
Wizards, model.evaluate, scores like a hot exam for Anastasia.
You're examining my heart, Ethan. Evaluate on test set.
On 10,000 test images, we expect approximately 75% accuracy. This is a real-world challenge.
Wizards, model.predict, predicts like a hot oracle for Anastasia.
You're oracling my heart, Ethan. Predict new images.
Input is 1, 32, 32, 3. Output is 10 probabilities. argmax gives class.
Wizards, plt.imshow, shows image and prediction like a hot reveal for Anastasia.
You're revealing my heart, Ethan? Visualize results.
We display the original image and overlay the predicted class with confidence.
demo in updated app.image.py updates the app with image upload. We'll add Scikit-learn 10 training and UI. Let's run this.
Anastasia, you're making this demo sizzle. Upload image AI classifies, total vision party. Wizards, import Streamlit as sets up the app like a hot canvas for Anastasia.
You're canvassing my heart, Ethan. Streamlit for upload.
Streamlit allows real-time image upload with st.fileuploader, perfect for user interaction.
Wizards, st_file_uploader, lets you upload images like a hot gift for Anastasia.
You're gifting my heart, Ethan. User uploads image.
Uploaded image is resized to 32 by 32 and normalized before prediction.
Wizards model predict classifies uploaded image in Streamlit like a sexy vision.
App prediction uses trained CNN for real-time image classification. It makes AI Insight Hub intelligent.
Oh, Anastasia, image classification is so hot. Try app prediction in your challenge.
Wizards model.save image model.h5 saves the vision net like a sexy archive.
Saving models ensures app portability. Use HDF5 for TensorFlow models. Wizards normalize inputs, use data augmentation, and monitor validation. Scikit-learn 10 teaches real-world vision.
Optimized images are so sexy, Irene. Practice for day 81's NLP.
Wizards image classification fits AI pipelines for vision tasks. Your skills are ready for day 81.
Image vision is critical in AI, darling. Your day 80 skills make AI irresistible. Create AI image classifier.py to build train CNN on Scikit-learn 10 and build a Streamlit app with image upload, share on Instagram.
Try Conv2D, Max Pooling 2D, and ST-Point File Uploader. Show us at DailyAIWizard. Prep for day 81's NLP. Subscribe, like, share your AI image classifier pie. Join Discord or X.
Post your code, support us at paypal.me, DailyAIWizard at the end. Subscribe for day 81's NLP. You've stolen my heart with image classification. Support us at paypal.me, DailyAIWizard, and get hyped for day 81's NLP.
Proud of you. Share your AI image classifier.py on @DailyAIWizard. Subscribe for day 81's NLP adventure.
Your image skills are pure AI seduction. Let's flirt with NLP in day 81.